5 minutes daily. These moves build strong arms fast for endurance, grip, or bigger arms. Works. Watch now. Move. 45 seconds. Palms up. Fingers toward you. Hips to heels. Stay down. Palms lift. You should feel a stretch in your arms. Hold for a moment. Then release. And repeat the movement. Second move, hold 45s. Place palms on table edge. Lean forward like a high plank. Lift heels. Palm bases should float off. Raise palms level with hands. Keep pressure on fingers. Slowly return to start. Repeat again. Rest for 10 seconds. Third, hold 45s. Start. Arms level. Palms down. Flex wrists. Fingers down. Return. Throughout the entire exercise. Keep your arms at shoulder level. Fourth, hold 45s now. Hands under shoulders. Push hips toward heels. Press palms down until forearms stretch. Hold briefly. Then return. Repeat. Fifth move, hold 45s. From kneeling high plank, lift feet, make fists, hands slightly wider than shoulders on chest line, flare elbows, return, then repeat. Great workout. See ya.